What is up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I grease, lubricate, and maintain my air tools. Today I brought some of my air tools from work home so that I could show you guys. This one I just got it rebuilt. Shoot, it's already been 2 years. They put a new body on it and it looks brand new again. But yeah, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I lubricate and maintain my air tools. So my coworker is actually the one that recommended me to buy this little grease tool. I got it from the Snap-on truck. The reason why he got it was because he said his electric ratchets one day, they were being a little too noisy. And he took it to the guy, and the guy told him, was like, "Are you greasing them?" And he's like, "No, how do you grease them?" And he's like, "You need this." So he sold him this, and even those Snap-on ratchets too, they'll have those grease fittings where you can grease your electric tools as well. Amazon has these as well. I'm sure they work the same. I just so happen to get mine from the Snap-on truck. Basically what you do is you open it, add grease in here, and then you push the little thing all the way up, and then you just pump it till grease comes out. And some air tools have them, some don't, but this one does. It'll look like that. The little fitting where your grease gun will go to grease your air tools. See, this one has one here. It's a little dirty. And I brought this Ingersoll Rand grease, and this is what I use to pack my grease gun. And for lube, I use this air tool oil. I've had this for a couple years now. Now the greasing and lubricating is going to depend really on how often you use your air tools. But if you're using them in a setting where they're used every day, you want to use this every day. I usually add 4 to 6 drops in the morning, right in the morning before I get the day started. And I do 1 pump of this once a week. If you do 2 pumps, what can happen is that you can blow out your seals. That's actually what happened before to my impact gun before I got it rebuilt. I pumped too much grease in here. I did 2 pumps, and then over time grease started leaking from right here. Every time I'd use it, grease would just be spitting out from right here, and yeah, it gets very annoying. So you don't want to overdo it with the grease, but you don't want to underdo it either. Now I'll open this up so you guys can see what it looks like on the inside. It's all just grease. Back up. And that's what it looks like when it comes out. So the way you want to do it is right up in there, and you do 1 pump. That's it. You're done. Now remember, you don't want to overdo it because you can blow out the seals. And I haven't done this one in a while because I don't use this every day. But we'll go ahead and do it for the video. 1 pump. We'll do this one. 1 pump as well. And then for the oil, do a little cleaning. And then this one, you want to feed it through your air inlet. That's it. 4 to 6 drops. And that is it for today, folks. If my video was helpful in any way, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you have any questions on how I do this.